Hey, what's up? Taylor the Engine here on YouTube again with another one of my trash finds. I found two box fans today in the trash. The other one I just made a video of. This one here's the other Lasko box fan. It's built cheaper, but it's still a decent one because it's got the Marco motor in it. And it's got the, obviously you see it has the flower petal blades, but these are the better version of it. So, without further ado, I'm going to work the next wall. Kind of like that. Kind of like that. So here it is on I gotta hold it up because this thing is actually, for the thickness of the cabinet, it does stand up pretty well. It's just the blades, it's so powerful, it blows itself over. It does make some noise, but nothing will attention can handle. I just got these cleaned up the best I could. This one's going to be used in my mom's living room for the summer. Hopefully none of the kids break it, because I would be upset. Decent coast time on that thing too. Well, not decent, but it works. And that concludes this video of this Lasko box fan. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.